In this video, I'll show you how to get USDC Avax address on Trust Wallet. Ensure subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if someone tells you to give him or her USDC Avax wallet address on Trust Wallet, what I'm going to do right now, head over to Trust Wallet, right click on this manage. Once it's opened up, you're going to come on here, search for the USDC, right? USDC. If you search for this USDC, you'll be displayed with a lot of options. Now you're going to gradually scroll down. I'm going to show you the one that is USDC Avax, right? If I see it right here, okay, yeah, exactly. So this is the USDC Avax. This is it, USDC. So I'm going to go back for you to see what is this. This is it here, USDC Avax, right? So this is basically the USDC Avax wallet address here on Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please share it as well in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video. I will see you guys in the very next one.